2 days in Antalya, Turkey. No fixed plan, no checklist, and no must-see pressure. Just walking, hopping on trams and buses, eating and exploring wherever the city pulls us. Think of this as your honest Antalya vibe check. Let's see what Antalya is really like in just 48 hours.
Our day one in Antalya started the usual way. Landing, sleep deprived, but excited. The cheapest and the most comfortable way to get to the city from the airport was on a tram, especially with our luggage. Single journey ticket was just 33 Turkish lira. By the time we reached the city station, İsmetpaşa, we were starving. So the first sight we saw in Antalya was actually our lunch. We have taken chicken doner, and from the time we have come, we are taking wraps, chicken wrap like things. It's very tasty here, just Turkish things. And it costed how much? 140 Turkish lira. We dragged our luggage through the streets for a bit to catch our connecting ride, and this is where we found something really cool.
This red tram, it looks a bit like the famous nostalgic tram in Istanbul, but it has a totally different, distinct vibe unique to Antalya. It took us right through the old town and we enjoyed a small glimpse of the city.
And the price? Just 33 Turkish lira per head. It was the perfect scenic welcome to the city before we even checked into our hotel. This was our tram. It's so beautiful and vintage. We got down at this station, which is Istiklal 1. A baby doggy is coming. How cute.
Mom?
Hi.
You can touch it, no problem.
Oh, he cute. Our only plan after this was to freshen up and head out for some shopping. This is the tram in Antalya. It's so vintage and we are going for shopping right now. So we will be taking this tram. This is our hotel. So we are staying right beside the tram station. So let's go. But Antalya decided to give us something way better, something very local right in the middle of Ramazan. We have come to a Turkish Mela. This is specially for Ramadan. We found it just on the way while shopping. So it's nice. It's just like Indian Mela. There are so many types of candles here. We took this one for 200 Turkish lira. This one is 100 Turkish lira. And then this one is 200 Turkish lira. Then this one is 150 Turkish lira, all bubblegum flavored scented candles. It's so nice. This full-on Ramazan fair that felt exactly like a Desi Mela, just with Turkish vibes. And the best part, our wallets were very happy. Everything was so cheap. So here you see crystal salts, all kind of crystals. And the crystals, they will make salt for you.
This is something very new that we came across in the streets of Antalya. So if you see this box, this we saw in a number of places. There is a green button which probably seems like if you push this and if you wait for some time, there will be a taxi coming for you.
Antalya is very famous for its beaches, but we are not sure if we can go there or not, or if we will get time or not, because we are staying here for 2 days and shopping is very important for us right now because the next destination is going to be Cappadocia for us, and you know it, how important Cappadocia is for photo shoot. So for photo shoot, we do need to buy dresses for both of us, so we are going to prioritize that. And trust me, Antalya has so much to offer in terms of dresses. We have seen wedding gowns. It's so beautiful. We feel like getting married again. It's so nice. If you're planning for your wedding dress, girlies, check out the shops here in Antalya. It's super nice. Trust me, it's super nice. Our bus is here. We are going to go for shopping.
Our day 2 in Antalya started in the most romantic way ever. Public transport and a hypermarket.
This is the market where we are going now. It has its Instagram page as well, so you can check it out if you want. So just to give you an idea about the prices, For these, this is the price, 55 Turkish lira. It's 565 Turkish lira, 455 Turkish lira. Such beautiful paintings for 135 Turkish lira only. The ground floor didn't serve our purpose, so we are coming to check out the first floor.
So the main reason we came to this hypermarket didn't work out, but it was still fun to see what locals actually buy.
We are heading towards Old Bazaar now. The one where we went now, it was more like India's D-Mart, if you know it. Mostly like household items. So we need something into more fashion. So we are heading towards the Old Bazaar right now. The temperature is 22 degrees. In the morning, it was something around 17, 18. It's pleasant weather over here where we can just walk and go. So we are walking towards that place. It's 1.7 kilometers from here. Just like India, here also people put out their clothes like this to dry outside the balcony. Antalya is situated along the Mediterranean Sea and is the fifth most populous city in Turkey. Well, Antalya is relatively a new name. Formerly it was known as Atalia and the city was formed in 200 BC and is quite an old city. Well, in terms of public transport, apart from cabs, you can avail buses and trams and of course these scooter bikes. In terms of attractions, if you're looking for places to visit here, there are several beaches, several mosques, historic mosques, and then there is a very heritage gate and very ancient gate. There also you can visit. There is another waterfall, Dudan Waterfalls. We heard that it's very famous here. Don't know if we will get time to go there or not. On the way to Old Bazaar, we found a small kind of mini market type here. This area looks like kind of a central area. You can see a lot of shops and cafes, hi-fi cafes. Hi. Turkish hammam is very famous here, so you can definitely go for hammams over here. We'll have a separate video on hammam bath where we will show you in details about Turkish hammam. You know, simit is very famous here. It's 15 Turkish lira over here. So we are buying Rohit's dress for the photo shoot from here. We got his dress, but we'll show that to you directly on photo shoot, not now.
We kept going from shop to shop like this one, no, that one, also no. I was ready to buy literally anything for her just to end the shopping, but still no dress could make the cut.
So I'm thinking of buying this dress, but it only has the medium size. It's not in my size. कुछ काम का चीज तो हो नहीं रहा है, but we found this on the way.
You can see Hadrian's gate behind us. It is a very historical attraction in Antalya. It was built in the name of a Roman emperor, Hadrian.
The structure, everything is made up of marble, and only the pillars that you can see, white pillars, it's made up of granite. We don't know what will happen to the photo shoot, but this is how this gate looks. It's very famous, like even on Google, if you search the top places to visit in Antalya, they will show you this. You see the structure like this and this. So basically, innumerous amount of carts used to pass from this side to that side, and so it has formed formation like this. We have taken dondurma masi. Now, what is dondurma masi? Dondurma masi is ice cream in Turkish, and this has costed us 40 Turkish lira, one scoop, and iced coffee is yet to come, which is a foundation. 90. The vibe is good. We have taken it from here, from Durga, and we are sitting here inside a private cabin, like by the tram lines. That's the tram line. Just being so good. We were just strolling around the market area and then saw that here's a beautiful park, and the beach was, we could see it from far away. We could see the Mediterranean Sea, but here is a huge park as well as the restaurant. Oh, it's peaceful and there's a lot of place to sit. You know, our legs were paining, so Rohit is sitting there behind me. Rohit's shopping is done, mine is still left, and it always happens that whatever I like, either I don't get it on my size or it's just not available, or I can't even find the design. So that is what is happening. We have seen so many shops in Antalya, but I liked only one dress and that's not available. Sadly, we'll be starting our shopping spree again, shopping hunt again. just like the Indian melas. Here there's a mela. If you want, you can rent scooter from here as well. You can see the phone number on the screen, and there are a lot of varieties.
After all that hunting, we didn't buy a single thing for Pragya. The only purchase of the day, the 60 lira water bottle. No shopping, only dehydration. Morally defeated, financially kind of saved, we just went back to the hotel and crashed because tomorrow we have a long journey to Pamukkale.
This is the food delivery app Trendy All Go. We have ordered durum chicken and hot chocolava cake. Everything is in Turkish here. It was a bit difficult. We had to translate it and then order everything. Everything was in Turkish. There's no English version of it over here. Or rather, we couldn't find it. It costed us total 130 Turkish lira after applying the discount. Our parcel is here. Rohit was tracking it on the app, but it was still showing that he is coming, right? Yeah. And even he did not call. He just came directly and knocked on the door. And here's our order. This is so huge. रोहित का आधा बॉडी का साइज है. So huge.
If you enjoyed hanging out with us in Antalya, the next episode is Pamukkale. Long bus ride, white cliffs, and if it's worth your time. Subscribe to our channel so you are here when it drops.